In this video, I will show you how to do figure 3 question 2D. For this particular question, the orthographic views have to be drawn in first angle projection. So for first angle projection, hopefully you still remember. First, we must identify where is the front view. So from the front view, you can put the plan view at the bottom of the front view. So that's the plan. And if I'm looking from the right side, okay, the view needs to be placed on the left. Alright, so for first angle projection, it's always assuming that you have a pair of eyes that have X-ray capabilities. Okay, you see through the object and place it on the other side. See through the object, see through the front, place it on the other side. Same thing for the plan view, right? See through from the top of the front and place it on the bottom. Alright. So looking at the figure, the plan view has the most details. So I will start off with drawing the plan view. So for the plan view, the object is 120 by 80. So line, first point, 120 by 80 tall. Okay, make sure that all your settings are correct. You have your polar tracker, your dynamic input, your object snap tracking, and your object snap. Okay, make sure that it's being toggled on. Next thing, I will create the slot. Okay, it says that in the book it shows to be 20 mm from the rightmost edge. So I'm going to offset 20 mm. So offset 20 from the base, from the bottom. Okay. Oops, what happened to my line? Yeah, okay. Next, I will start to draw the slot. Okay, radius of 6. Offset 40 mm upwards. To get the other position of the circle. Radius 6. Line. Okay, after that I will do a trim. Select the cutting boundary or cutting edges, spacebar, and remove the semicircle. After that, I can straight away just adjust the center lines for the slot. Make sure it's just slightly beyond the object. That's good enough. And you can straight away just change this into center line. Next, I will use the fillet command to create the fillet or radius here. Fillet. For fillet, please remember to always click on radius to specify the size first. Alright, it's radius 25. Enter. Select the edges. Repeat the same command. Because radius 25, the size 25 is the last saved size. Alright, there's no need for you to key in radius again. Okay. So once done, and you create a line, or rather offset a line 35 mm away from this edge. Alright, so offset 35, enter, from here to here. Okay, I should have offset before I fillet the line. below the edges. Okay, but it's alright. So next thing is fill in the remaining details. Okay. So next thing I want to know is that I can start to create the rectangle somewhere around here. There are two of them. So offset 15 from here to here. Offset 20 from here to here. After that, offset 30 to okay, that's not right. Let me erase this. Again, offset 15 from here to here. Okay, I missed out the 15 from here to here. Basically, this 30, and then another 20. 20 and 30. Okay, now this is more correct. Okay, alright, so basically this is the rectangle. On the upper left hand corner, this is this sloping area. This is another rectangle. I know the size is 30, so offset 30 from here to here, and I can do a tree. Okay, alright. So now for the there's a slope here. Okay, I know the starting point is this one, ending point is over here. Okay, so I can connect the dots together. Next thing is to create let's see, there's a rectangle here, 30 by 28 by 3 by 26. Okay, so 30 is 30 and 26. So I need to offset 260 from here to here. Trim. This line here, I do not know where it should be. Alright, do not know the length currently because I need to draw the side view in order to find out this information. Okay, so it's it first. Next thing, I shall draw in the circle. Okay, the circle is at 15 mm from the right edge and also 13 from the bottom. Okay, so my radius is circle, shift right click from this point at 15, 13. Okay, so my size is radius or diameter 16. So I need to click the diameter 16. Enter. Okay, so you can draw a line to create the center line for this particular circle. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Line. Match layer to center line. Okay. Next one, I'll be creating the rectangular or straight, or rather a straight edge here. Okay, to match the item shown in the diagram. So it says is 50, the line is 50 mm away from the left edge. So 50 offset 50 here to here, and the size of the opening is 20, like this. Okay, and oops, size 20, enter here to here. Next thing, I know that it's 35 mm from the top edge, offset 35 to here to here. Okay, so I do a trim. I do on this one, I do on this one, this one, this one, okay, this one, and this line. Alright. Anything else that I'm missing? Most probably would be the detail over here. Okay. However, I'm not able to fill in the details now because I need information from the other views. Okay. So I'll proceed on to create other views. So offset 30. Okay. 30 mm is basically the distance between the two views. Alright. So from the left edge, from this point here, I know that it's going to be 75 mm tall. Okay, I'm drawing the front view right now. Okay, so I can see from the front view, I can see 50 mm from the top. I'm doing the outline. Okay, then I'm supposed to come down to a point here. Okay, I can say shift right click from this point. After that, put a relative symbol 15 to the right, comma, negative 20. Negative means going downwards. Okay, so that's the point here. Then go across 20. Then after that, don't know where this point is, so I'll draw from the other side instead. Okay, so from here, make sure I track the correct point. It's the correct line. The distance up, the thickness of the base is 30. Go across 35 and join back to the point here. Okay, lengthen this line to create a close profile. And now I will double check my lines of points and make sure they are correct. Okay, alright, seems that the points are all correct. Okay, good. Next thing. So from this view, what can I complete? So I can complete the line from here, from the base all the way to a certain location. Okay, I myself just draw the this like looks like a step over here. Okay, so I offset 45 mm tall. Okay, the feature that contains the blind hole, and then offset 30. Same thing from here to here, from the bottom. And last but not least, 50 mm from the left. Okay, then do a trim. Alright. Next thing. Is to add in other details. So I need other details from the plan view. Construction line from here, this point. Draw here all the way up. Okay, next one will be this one here. All the way up. This extend upwards. Okay, next one from here, I'll just go and connect them, and I'll just change whatever lines to line. Then after that, I need to do a trim. Okay, so this one is not supposed to be outline, it's supposed to be construction line. Okay, trim or no need, I can just extend it down lower a bit. Okay, this line I need to trim. Okay, because this is the opening. We're just checking, make sure the shape I'm doing is correct. Okay, outline, making the dots upwards. This one. Okay, the shape seems alright. The next thing is I want to add in the hidden details. Okay, there is one more missing feature here which I'm not able to fill in. Okay, because I need the information from the side view. Alright, so now let me add in the hidden details. Okay, so construction line, I'll add in the slot. This is for the center line. These two are hidden lines. This is center line. Next thing, the blind hole. Alright, so I just need to find out what's the location of this center line. Connects to here. What else? It says that this blind hole is diameter 16, 30 mm. Okay, so I just need offset 30 mm to get my depth. For a blind hole, we need to create the tip. Okay, that's the angled tip of 120 degrees. So I need to first change my line to the polar tracking to 30, 60, 90, 120. Okay, from here line from this point. Alright, make sure it's 150. Okay, 150, click this one. Alright, so 120 actually comes from the angle formed between the two lines. Okay, notice 120 degrees. Okay, so from here I just draw a line. Wow. Right, from here just draw a line across. Okay, this one I can just delete away. This one I can just use, oops. Okay, this one sometimes happens. Center line, this way. Alright. Okay, looks good. Next thing, I need to draw the side view. Okay, so before we can do that, let's draw the thin line, the 45 degrees meter line. Everything must be from the front view, the meter line. So locate the extreme left feature and also the bottommost feature from this corner. Right, we draw the 45 degrees line. I need to change the settings to 40, 90, 135 and 180. After that, I just make sure it's slightly beyond the size of the plan view. Okay, so this is good. Alright, so next thing is to obviously find out what's the boundary of my item. Cool, okay, alright. So the side view is 80 and then 175 tall. Okay, so just draw outline, line from here to here, and then draw outwards this tall. Okay. This thing, what's the length here? I do not know. Okay, so I need to do the radial. So from line from here instead, I go up 45 mm. So from here, I'm supposed to create an angle. Okay, so what's the angle? So according to the diagram, it says that from the top, from this point you draw, it's supposed to be 28 degrees. So what is the angle that I need from the 3 o'clock position? Okay, so what is this angle? So based on the, hopefully you still remember, alright, for parallel lines, okay, the angle formed at this location here and here is the same. So this is also 28 degrees. Okay, alright, so just draw a line from this point. Again, I'm using the dynamic input. Alright, so this line is about, okay, let's zoom in 80. Okay, for the length, press tab, T-A-B, tab. and then key an angle of 28 degrees. Enter. Okay, so now I just need to draw a horizontal line to get my size of my rectangle. Okay, so just trim. This is my size. Okay, alright, next thing, let me just draw the outline first. From this point here, I'm supposed to go across 26. Enter, go up. Okay, so this point where it touches the slope, okay, that's the point where I can form the line here. Okay, so just trim a line from here. This one just change back to construction line. Alright, so you know where to get this information from. Next thing, the plan view. Okay, since I have the information that I need now, I can complete my plan view. So from this point, I draw downwards. Okay, so this is the one of the point for the slope. Okay, for the sloping line. How about the other point, which I do not know yet? Okay, so what I can do is from this point, the size is here. So it's from here, drop it down to the meter line, and then go across. Okay, so next thing I need to know is the size here. Make sure they're correct. Okay, yeah, exactly 15 as well. So just draw outline, line from this point to here, and from this point to here. Okay, alright, so this more or less, this already completes the plan view. Okay, so what I need now is to complete the side view. Okay, so next thing, draw a line from this point to here. How about the slope? Okay, so I just need to know where the starting point and where the ending point. Okay, so construction line, I know that this line here starts from here, go across, go up. Okay, so from this point you start to have the slope, right? So slope to this location. So line from here to here. Okay, next thing, obviously to add in the line for the base and also the line for the opening. Okay, alright, so construction line, I know that this opening is 35. I can actually offset from here, or I can just draw from the construction from the plan view construction line here. Okay, so that means this is my line. So where does it end? It ends here. This location, start, end. So this is start and end location. This is my outline. Okay, let's draw over this. Next thing, just double check, make sure that my lines is correct. From here, go across. Okay, good. Okay, seems that all the outline has been covered. We just need to add in the hidden details. Okay, so hidden line. Alright, I know that there is a hidden line here for the opening. So start from the top to the bottom. What else? I have the hidden details for the drill hole, blind hole. Okay, so I just need to figure out where is the location of it. From here, go up, copy, including a center line from this point to here. Okay, make sure you got the right location. Last but not least is to add in the details for the slot. Okay, notice the lines are a bit close, so I need to zoom in, go up. Okay, so this is the location for my hidden line for this slot. And last but not least is to add in the center line. Okay, just a little bit. Copy from this location to the other location, and that should be all. Let me just double check my work, make sure that everything is alright. Okay, so now playing from here. Okay, what I can do is I can just turn off my construction line and double check to make sure all surfaces have been covered. Okay, everything looks okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Okay, good. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you find this useful.